Hello, all the CA Inter students. Hope your preparation is going at a full swing. I'm here today to explain you a complete strategy and the plan for getting the best marks in three papers. One, law paper. Second one, direct taxes. And third one, financial management. In precise manner, three papers which I teach at CA Inter level. So one accountancy, law paper. Second one will be the taxation, and third one will be the financial management. Okay, let's go into the video. Number one, with regard to the subject law. Okay, with regard to the subject law, what should be the sequence? See, with regard to the law paper, I saw so many students in the last attempt as well feeling it difficult to get a better mark. Okay, the first thing that we need to do, number one, first complete PEMA, interpretation of statutes, LLP. These three will cover 30 marks minimum in your paper. So what you need to do, how your strategy should be, line in study material, you should be perfect with regard to this strategy. I'm writing the strategy here. First cover ISM. Second cover 5 RTPs. Third cover book back questions. BBQ means not barbecue nation. Book back questions. Every chapter will have a book back questions. Na? Do this. Okay. Sir, I don't wanted to do these two. Then is there any remedy? Do our question bank. Simple remedy. That means it's an indication that I did not bring any new questions. To be very frank, I have borrowed questions from study material. Okay. No one is greater than ICA here. We all follow the questions and resources available with ICA. This is your step 1 to score 70 plus in law. Step 2 to score 70 plus. Again 3 sets. Again 3 sets. See here. In this set, management and administration, popularly general meetings. Next one, foreign companies, popularly called as companies incorporated outside India. Along with that, share capital chapter, share capital and debentures. These three, mark my words, all these three chapters will come for 20 marks minimum in exam. 20, you take 20 marks. Okay. Last attempt, management administration came for 7. Foreign company came for 4. Okay. Share capital came for another 7. 18 marks it came. So I'm putting it in general. In some examinations, share capital came for huge marks. So therefore, at a lowest level possible, you can take 16 marks to 20 marks. Okay, take 16 only then. Be very prudent. We are chartered accountants. Then follow this concept of prudence. Okay, take only what is really realizable at a minimum level. So by this, you covered 46 marks. Next stage, accounts of company, dividends, auditors. Okay, general clauses act. These 4 chapters. Okay, these are 4 chapters. Accounts of company will come for 5 to 6, dividends 5 to 6, auditors 5 to 6, GCA 10. Means this set will cover 25 marks in your exam. Okay, that's it. If you take 25 marks here in this set, target is reached. Over. From this, what you have to understand, 10 chapters are there in your total syllabus. These 10 chapters, you have to split it into 3 parts. From today onwards, okay, means from 24th of July, your first target is very, very simple. Split the syllabus into 3 parts. FEMA, IOS, LLP, cover them first. And moreover, understand, for all these, I made YouTube videos very detailed. So, FEMA at extreme detail I made, including iOS also same. LLP also same. I have done full kind of revision purposes. What is useful, I have already done. Next, general meetings and the management administration, foreign company share capital, these are also there in YouTube channel. Okay. Next, accounts, auditors, dividends, all this is also there in YouTube channel. Everything I kept in YouTube channel for your revision purposes. Go through them, complete it in a proper way. Okay, when you complete, same again. First ISM, 5 RTPs, and BBQ, book back questions. No, sir, I don't have time for doing these two. Okay, study from ISM, full concept. After that, 5 RTPs and book back questions. No, then do the question bank at least. So complete ISM, complete the question bank. Why you will not get 70, we will see this attempt. Do it in a systematic way, proper way. Okay. So how many chapters are there? 10 chapters totally. How many sets? 3 sets. Each set you should not spend more than 2 days. More than 2 days you should not spend. 2 days, 2 days, 2 days. Means hardly a week time. 1 week. Dedicatedly sit for law. If you are writing for group 1 only, are you writing only group 1? Sit for 1 week. Today is 24th, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. By 31st of July, law will be completed. Mark my words. If you have any kind of doubts, put it in my Telegram channel. Other students will answer your query, or I will query. I will answer your query if I find time in that. Okay, or else put me a personal message. I will clarify. Our target, I should not again listen a word called as, sir, I could not get better marks in law. I could not pass the group in accounts. That question should never happen. Because of law, you should pass the group number 1 this time. Because of DT, you should pass group number 1. The mark should be like that. 100 marks paper, if you are not getting even 40, what is that? Yeah, that should not happen. So let's continue. Now, after completing these, then go to the other chapters and do circus. Without doing this, don't do. This 70 mark strategy. Next, FM paper. FM paper. With regard to the FM paper, divide it into 3 sets again. Same concept. Set 1, set 2, set 3. Set 1. First cover the chapters. Ratios analysis. Okay, ratios analysis. Working capital estimates. Not debtors management, all those. Only working capital will be there. That one. Okay. Debtors management, all these are, what to say, may come, may not come. But working capital estimates, every paper the question is there. Working capital estimates means stock valuation, creditors valuation. Full problem will be there. Na? If you do that problem, all the topics will become that questions. So in our classes, the first topic what I take in working capital, that chapter. So first, ratios analysis, working capital estimates. Third one is theory chapter 1. Theory chapter 1. First cover these 3. This will come for 5 marks. This will come for 6 marks. This will come for 8 marks. In your 50 marks, if you do these 3, around you are going to cover 19 marks already. In around 20 marks you are covering here. 50 or 3 chapters, if you do properly, you are covering 19 marks. Next, cost of capital, capital budgeting, leverages. Cost of capital, 6 marks. Capital budgeting, 8 marks to 10 marks, but I am taking least only 8. Leverages will come for somewhere around 4 to 5 marks. Take least number 4. Again, you are going to cover another 19 marks here. 18 to 19. Here it is 18. Take 19 marks. Okay. All others at the last. Okay. So these two is covering around how many marks? Yeah, 40 marks. Capital structure theories, all those things will cover the balance. Dividends, capital structure, all these will cover the balance. Okay, na? Sir, how come, sir? Including choice, they will give, na? Paper will come for 60 marks per FM. So including that, You will be having cost of capital structures. Okay, capital structure, ERE 2, and you will be having dividend decisions. These three will cover, okay, balance part. But my point is first cover this 40. Okay, but I can tell either this or capital structure you replace, because both chapters will come for 6 each in examination. 6 to 8 marks both will. 6 to 8 is a standard for both the chapters. Every attempt you take any attempt, both will come for 6 or 8 marks. If one is 6, another is 8. If one is 8, another one is 6. Like that they will give. But consistently they maintain this pattern or trend. So I always say, do these properly first. Complete ratio analysis, working capital estimated, theory chapter 1. After that, do cost of capital, capital budgeting and leverages. Work 2. Then you go. For this, I recommend, strongly I will recommend, listen to the YouTube lectures that I have uploaded. I covered every minute detail here for you in the YouTube channel. So listen to that. Why my students in CA final are getting 95 marks in CA final AFM? Yeah. This time All India ranker also did not get that mark. We got it. It's your teacher who got that 95 marks. Yeah. Your teacher student. If he get, why you will not get? For it luck means one person will get 95, 93, 91, 90, 83, 87. Like that, how many? 126 students in CA final cross the 60 marks means. Why you will not get in CA interlevel? It's hardly 10% of final AFM. Correct? Keep that spirit always. Why I should not or why I cannot? You can prepare properly. Listen to the YouTube channel videos properly. Okay. Did I ask you go and buy product in website? I'm not telling that. I'm telling openly. All videos are available on YouTube. Listen to that properly first. So please do your efforts and then ask for the result. Efforts say if you don't put down, you have no right to ask for a result. Okay. As a friendly advice, being a very good friend to you, I'm giving this advice. Take it in a proper way. Last and final, direct access paper. This I wanted to give an honorable mention because subject this much, marks this much. Okay, a subject which should come for 100, they are giving for 50 marks. So prediction becomes almost nearing impossibility. But I will tell you the 3 sets preparation again. Set 1, set 2, set 3. Set 1, residential status, confirm question will be there in exam. Okay, residential status, other sources, clubbing, set off. These 4 areas. Okay, every attempt 6-7 marks will come from residential. Other sources 4 to 5 marks. Okay, 10. Plus clubbing and set off and carry forward another 5. So first set itself you can complete 15. This preparation will definitely drive you towards success because syllabus kammi syllabus. Marks marks will come from these areas. You understanding or not? Okay, now see. This particular area, as I told you, small area, marks will be very big. Regional status, okay, area is small. As I said, the marks are very big. Syllabus is very. First, complete this. Residential status, other sources, 6 marks, 4 marks. Clubbing and set off and carry forward will come for minimum 8. Okay, 10, 8, 18. I have taken 15A from that. Again, be pessimistic. 15 marks. Hardly this will take, that entire set will take hardly for your preparation. After completing your subject, preparation will take hardly maybe a day preparation. 1 day. 1 day if you sit na, regional status ki 3 hours, other sources ki 2 hours, clubbing and set of carry forward ki 3 hours. Properly, if you wake up in the morning somewhere at 7 o'clock and do till 7:30 at evening, 15 marks in your DT paper will be in your pocket. I'm sharing a question bank in my Telegram group and WhatsApp group for DT students. I have compiled worst case scenario questions, not normal questions, torture questions in all these chapters. If you do them properly, why any question will trouble you in exam, I will see. You know about me now, how we will study law. From the bare act, how worst case scenarios can come. in all the 4 chapters, whatever you are seeing here. Okay, I'm sharing it. Do that properly, you'll become a gem of a guy with regard to the direct taxes. Because we are doing the same for the finals also for CA in the final income tax paper. Next set. Next set. Obvious, na? The king of the ring should be there. PGBP, capital gains, house property. This is the game changer for the entire preparation schedule. Yeah? Okay. PGBP, capital gain and house property. 10 marks, 8 marks, 6 marks. This will come for 25 marks in your exam. Yeah. 100% will come. Okay. 100%. Last 10 attempts I have seen, every attempt minimum 22, maximum 27. So 25 marks average, they will give you the score. All others. Salary. Okay. Salaries. Next, deductions. TDS, TCS. Filing of return of income. Income tax authority. Exemptions on total income. All these will come for that balance at 10 marks in your exam. So I'm not telling leave this at 10 marks. I'm telling give importance to the first 2 sets always. Even in FM, first 2 sets. Even in law, first 2 sets. Okay, since the law portion is voluminous, first 2 sets will first pass you. Failure will be reduced to 0 if you prepare the first 6 chapters what I gave you. Okay, in this manner you prepare, I will see you in CA final. Okay, you will see yourself in CA final. You will first become extremely confident in your preparation as well. Okay, prepare well for the examination. Hardly 40 days your effort should be. Put it in a proper way. No compromise in that. Okay, do it well. I'm always here for you. Thank you very much. Meet you soon. CA final.